you're so cute. Hello. Here we go, Animal Kingdom. Oh, I like the sign, eh? The elephant and all the elephants in it. Yeah, it's my favorite park, I think. Yeah? I mean, I think about all the parks, right? Yeah. It's just so cool. I love the vibe. It's so nature and luscious and... Oh, that's better. Mountain, so nice. Big, eh? Bigger than I thought. Neat. Wow. Alright, we're gonna do it. 55 minutes for Navi River journey. Can't wait to see what these things look like at nighttime, eh? Little pods. They're gonna glow and stuff. It's so neat. Very luscious, eh? Is these real? Yeah, real plants. Look up there. It's like a little waterfall. Wait, see if it's down here. I'm gonna see if I can point at it. So see where that little like hook is there? Yeah. And then just underneath it, right here kind of, there's a waterfall that's not actually a waterfall. It's just like a wheel that turns. Can you tell it? There's the wheel there, no water. And there's the other wheel. And there's real water coming down the mountain. So you can get a colossal pretzel, some bottled water, beer, special beer, a night blossom. Good, good.
So, thank you very much for listening around. Keep it going. I'll be back again soon, buddy. Well, do use that new plastic old version. That's called the Atlas.
Wow, that's cool. Welcome to Africa. Mombasa Marketplace. Look at all this African fare. Wow. Oh, he's making them right now. Wow.
now. Get the video slow-mo on because it's pretty amazing. Because they'll head about inches over your head. It's really, really cool. Okay, I think we're about ready. Let's check out what these birds do best, my friends. I think we can agree that's when they take flight. Okay, that was beautiful.
Bye.
Thank you for joining us for Wind Encounters. Okay, sealed genetic matching room.
Hi, and welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative. You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Navi, flying on the back of an ikran, or as we call it, a banshee.
I think I've stopped filming now, eh?
We showed you in the video.
Here's our link chairs.
Put on your flight visors.
Hi. How'd you like Flight of Passage?
Oh my god, it's so good.
Yeah? One book. Wow. That's neat, eh? These pods. Cool. These things are beautiful here, eh? Beautiful. Wow, look at the silhouette of the mountain, the rock.
Later, the next day.
Hi.
Nope.
What's up?
We're going to Magic Kingdom.
For what?
Halloween party.
What? That's so cool. Look at your costume. So neat. You got a little tutu on. Awesome. What am I dressed up as?
Referee.
Yeah. Got my little referee cards. Got this one. Red card. And oh, we have to go through bag check. Let's do bag check first and then we'll, here's the yellow card too. That's for the characters. Alright. So we're hoping this stays and that disappears. 'Cause that's not going to be fun if that stays. At least. Cool, look at the fun decorations. It's not like we haven't seen this stuff for the rest of the week, eh? But there it is, Halloween at Magic Kingdom. Alright, let's go in.
Hi.
Hi.
Happy Halloween.
Same to you.
Thank you. How does that feel?
Feels great.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You guys have a good time.
Thanks. Look at the cast members decorated with little bats on their costumes. Cool. Ooh, look at this. It's like a special Musketeer Donald.
Hey, here's a candy stuff.
This walkway is generally not open, eh? There's Pluto, Musketeer Pluto there. There's, hey there, Princess Minnie, wicked. And then Jester Goofy. There's the M&Ms. Oh cool, we can get little bags too. Awesome. I love your outfit. We've got little bags to go trick-or-treating with, eh? Wreck-It Ralph 2 and Incredibles 2. Oh, we can trick-or-treat right away. Look at trick-or-treat. Thank you. Wow, they got tons of candy in there. What are you most looking forward to tonight?
I don't know. Parade?
The parade, yeah. It's gonna come right down here. Right down Main Street. Nice job.
What's the last name? Excellent. You did
Awesome. You nailed it. Ooh, Crystal Palace is decorated so nicely. Nice. Alright, here's Adventureland. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do you guys a yellow card if you want to actually pick. Gaston. Yeah, looks like Gaston.
Carl C-A-R-L.
Alex. Alex? Yep.
Under part of my shirt fall. Yes, that's spelled G-A-S-T-O-N. No one spells like Gaston. I am the best at it, Belle. Have you seen my spelling trophy? Probably in my tavern with all my other ones.
You want a reward? Say yo ho!
Yo ho! And powder peach.
Jack Sparrow, show yourself, you miserable cur! Strike your colors, you bloomin' cockroaches! Hey there, you bilge rat!
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentlemen want the rum. Don't you, boy?
Any heroes on board?
Yeah!
Yeah? Perfect! You can be the first to walk the plank. I'm Gunpowder Pete, and you'll never catch me. I don't care what that boom keeps saying. Moving along.
We just got off Pirates, right? We saw, who do we see?
Something.
Yeah, Gunpowder Pete.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was gonna call him Gunsmoke Pete.
Gunsmoke Pete. That's okay. And who else did we see? There's a pirate that had a wanted sign, and he was telling us to look out for Gunpowder Pete. He was pretty cool. I don't think I remember anything he actually said in the ride though. Did you hear what he said?
He is here. A hero.
Oh yeah.
And then
he's like,
you're gonna be the first one to walk the plank.
oh yeah, that's right. And then he said something like, I've been here the whole time.
Oh yeah.
Right? Yeah, that's cool. That was good.
No, he has not.
There you go, trick or treat. Trick or treat. What'd you get?
Some M&M's is what I, yeah, a bunch of M&M's.
M&M's? Yeah, I think so too. I got like M&M's, maybe like a Twix or something.
Thanks.
Cool. All right, let's go find a spot for the parade.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, this is so Halloween now. There's music. Halloween Castle. Cool, look at these cool balloons. They've got cool stuff in them. They say boo on them. Wow, look at all these amazing people. So cool.
Hi.
You guys look great.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome.
I this out.
Yeah? What do you got there? What's in the...
It's my lightsaber.
Wow, that's cool. Is it to direct traffic?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Happy Halloween, we tingle dark. Even those bad guys deserve a little cut. Know that we will, so prepare to be scared. It's just part of the drill. It's just part of our routine. We're scared and we're spooky just for fun. As Halloween arises, it will all surprise us. When the crystals creak and the tombstones quake. This is Halloween! This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Let gladly treat you all to a little sorcery in the sky.
Launcher.
Here we go.